Hello everyone! Welcome back to a whole new set of the coolest gadgets. Everyone seeks easy methods to fulfill their day-to-day as well as professional activities to save even a bit amount of time from their busy schedule. So, Amazon provides you with some useful and coolest gadgets to fulfill some of those needs. Without any delay, let's move on to today's list of the coolest gadgets that are Amazon favorites. Links with the prices are in the description below. Let's go! Touchscreen Smart Mirror. The ThinCast Smart Mirror is the ideal decorative feature for your home's walls when you're getting ready for the day, welcoming guests, or simply relaxing with some background music. This smart mirror's trendy features and attractive appearance will match perfectly with the decoration of your house and will make it more attractive. There will be 4 integrated speakers and Wi-Fi and Bluetooth facility is available here. You can watch videos, download apps, listen to music, and even browse the web with this. Moreover, you can cast your Android or iOS smartphone to your mirror. The necessary hardware is included, and it's super easy to install anywhere you might need it. GPS Drone with 4K Camera. GPS Drone with 4K camera is having an optimized Full HD camera equipped with a shock absorption holder that will ensure to shoot high-resolution images and videos without shaking the camera. You can view the scenery from various angles thanks to the 5 GHz FPV transmission and 90 degrees adjustable lens. This is having a GPS-assisted intelligent flight, so you would never lose the drone. It will automatically return when the battery is low. The signal is lost as well when you press one key return at home. The controls are very simple that you can master operations in no time. Try this out to get a real experience of a drone. Bamboo cheese board and knife set. Here comes the cool item to impress your guests with your nicely arranged meat and cheese tray. This is an entertaining way to dazzle your guests. The wooden serving platter is the largest on the market, and it is easy to arrange everything you need there. This is perfect for any gathering where you can create a lot of unforgettable memories. This bamboo cheese board set will come along with bowls, a cheese knife set, and all other accessories that you will ever need to have in a serving. This is even perfect to be used as a gift for your loved ones, as this will help them to offer an eye-catching serving for their guests. Garlic Press. Here comes one of the best garlic pressers to try out. The ergonomically curved handle makes it simple to use and offers a comfy grip. If necessary, the stylish black finish with hammer nail surface can be used as a multi-purpose meat tenderizer also. This garlic press is made of high-quality food-grade stainless steel, which is rust-resistant and strong enough to last for a long time. You can securely use the garlic mincer because it has no sharp edges to harm you. You can just put the garlic in the peeler and roll it back and forth to peel the garlic easily. As well, you can easily crush it by placing it under the crusher and rolling. This is a handy kitchen gadget that is easy to use and simple to clean. 9-in-1 Deluxe Vegetable Chopper. 9-in-1 Deluxe Vegetable Chopper will provide you the everything you need to have in an all-in-one kitchen gadget. This includes 7 easy-to-change inserts with 2 different size chopper blades and 2 spiralizer inserts. The handheld peeler, juicer, egg separator, and slicer will ease your tasks in the kitchen more. This is a very much useful all-in-one gadget that will help you to do more functions easily. The gadget is easy to store because of the space-saving blade organizer attached to it. So, check this multifunctional chopper and try the features it offers. Portable Power Station. The EBL Portable Power Station comes with a 300 watt-hours lithium-ion battery pack. This supports quick charging, ensures safety, as well can be recycled more than 1,000 times. It is portable and weighs only 3.3 kilograms. The non-slip handle makes it simple to pick up with one hand. You can use a wall outlet at home, a car plug when traveling, or even a solar panel while being on vacation to charge your EBL power station. You can use up to 9 simultaneous devices and can power your smartphone, tablet, laptop, camera, light drones, and many more. Smartphone Gimbal Stabilizer. This smartphone gimbal stabilizer will easily connect to your smartphone and will help you to enjoy perfect filming. With the help of the magnetic phone clip and ring holder, You can easily and quickly capture whenever inspiration strikes. The 3-axis motor keeps your smartphone steady and your video smooth. You can go hand-free, and it is very easy for you to snap a pic or start a video with this. Thermasil Patio Shield Mosquito Repeller. Thermasil Patio Shield Mosquito Repeller, which has a stylish brushed metal finish, is excellent for patios, decks, swimming pools, and more to receive effective mosquito protection. A 15-foot mosquito-free zone is created by this, and you will not need any batteries or cables as it is powered by a safe and compact 12-hour fuel cartridge. This emits scent-free repellent mats that can last up to 4 hours each, and they will change color when you need to replace them. There won't be any smoke or scent, and this is very easy to use as well to refill when needed. Adjustable Laptop Stand. Here is the best adjustable laptop stand to try out. In addition to supporting as a laptop stand, this adjustable laptop desk stand also functions as a tablet stand, standing desk, and lap desk that can be utilized on a bed or a sofa. You can use it according to your need. This laptop stand is quite simple to adjust. All you have to do is simply press the stand side button, adjusting the angle, and then you have to let go of the button to lock it in the position. The legs can be moved into different positions to meet your requirements. The 2 CPU cooling fans will help you to dissipate heat from your laptop too. Grill Accessories. Olerheight Grill Accessories is perfect to use and comes under premium quality. This grilling set has everything you need to have to experience a nice and a quality grilling experience. To guarantee that your meat is juicy, tender, and delicious, this grilling set comes with a power tong, kebab skewers, a chef's spatula, as well as many other barbecue accessories. For handling large-sized grills, there is a 16-inch handle too. The gadget set is easy to use and easy to clean with warm and soapy water. First Aid Kit. VSSL First Aid is a compact adventure first aid kit with 46 first aid essentials and 4-mode LED light. This first aid kit is very simple to use and comes along with a slim, compact design, which makes it easy to slip into your pack or glove box. This incredible first aid kit is the best option to use when you're on an adventurous journey. The kit is ready to use whenever you need to have it. Mini Portable Charger for iPhone. iWalk Mini Portable Charger for iPhone comes with a built connector, so you won't need a charging cable again. You can simply plug it into your phone and wait for it to charge. This is very smaller in size than lipstick, and it serves as a compact emergency portable charger for iPhones. This is having a 3,350 mAh battery, which may provide nearly 1.2 charges to an iPhone 8 or 0.95 charges to an iPhone X. This portable charger is something you should have with yourself because you just plug it in and you'll be charged, and it's small enough to put in your pocket. LED Flame Speaker. TheTechPremiers LED Flame Speaker is a speaker lamp that has many LEDs, which can form a stunning flame along with the combined audio function. You can connect this with your smartphone or tablet via Bluetooth and can enjoy a wonderful musical experience. You can easily move this from one place to another because of its compact size. This flame speaker is perfect for any party or any special event. Full Body Composition Analyzer. This Full Body Composition Analyzer by Withings is the #1 smart scale to try out. This will monitor full body compositions like weight, body fat, water percent, and muscle and bone mass accurately. This is highly compatible with more than 100 top health and fitness apps. It's accurate by design with Wi-Fi that ensures your measurements are accurate anywhere in the world, so try it out. So there you have it. Another set of the 14 coolest gadgets that are Amazon favorites. So, which did you like most? Let us know in the comments down below. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give a thumbs up, as well as subscribe to the channel to get updates when we post a new video on more of the coolest tech and gadgets. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.